Hello everyone, welcome back to another how-to tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to see the dislikes again on YouTube. It is no longer possible to view the number of dislikes on a YouTube video. This information can be useful in evaluating the credibility and accuracy of a video. However, it is possible to regain access to this data using a browser extension, although there are some limitations to this method. To restore the ability to view dislikes on YouTube, you must download and install a browser extension called Return YouTube Dislike. This extension can be easily installed on various web browsers, including Firefox, Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Opera, and Brave. Once installed, it allows you to view the number of dislikes on a YouTube video with just a few clicks. Firefox and Chrome have their own versions of the Return YouTube Dislike extension, while other listed browsers can use the Chrome version. It may be necessary to adjust browser settings to allow the extension to be installed on some browsers, such as Edge, which may require enabling extensions from other stores. The Return YouTube Dislike extension works by using a combination of previously collected data and estimates of user behaviour. While the total number of dislikes displayed for a video may not be accurate, the ratio of dislikes to other engagement metrics should be reasonably accurate. This is because the extension relies on cached data that was obtained before YouTube disabled access to the dislike function in its API. By using Return YouTube Dislike extension, you're collecting data that helps determine the ratio of dislikes to other engagement metrics. This means that the creator of the extension can gather information about the video you watch. Currently, only content creators have access to the actual number of likes and dislikes their videos receive. However, there are plans to allow creators to share this information with the extension in the future. To start off, go to returnyoutubedislike.com on your web browser. A link to the website will also be included in the video description below. Once the website loads, click the red install link. This will take you to a new page. On this page, you'll need to choose your web browser. Click the link and you'll be taken to the extension for your browser. For me, this is Chrome Web Store. Click Add to Chrome. A dialog box will appear. Click Add Extension. You should see a notification that an extension has been installed. Finally, you may need to restart your web browser again if you do not see any dislikes on YouTube videos. You have been watching a how-to tutorial by Aspiration. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to click or tap that subscribe button if you want to receive notifications about every new video. You can also turn on the notification bell by clicking or tapping it. You can also leave a comment down below. Your ideas and suggestions are always welcome. Until the next time, take care of yourself.